ground turkey.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another VLOGMAS video. My name is Ilyyy. Call me. Wow, I feel like I was looking lazy-eyed. Like, girl, what? Made me a nice, healthy breakfast, girl. I can finally cook in my apartment because, baby, I ain't had no pots, no pans, no nothing. Okay, nothing. So I got my pots and pans, like y'all saw that yesterday, which was needed. So I made me some breakfast. Today I plan on making some spaghetti. I just need some Italian sausage. I feel like the Italian sausage is gonna make it like a little spicy and just a little more hearty than just, I have turkey meat, like ground turkey. The blueberries is doing something. It's doing something to me. So today, my car is ready. So, I'm so hungry. Okay, anyway, so my car is ready today. Finally, I'm not gonna be ghetto no more because at first I had to, let me tell y'all about my struggles because it was funny. It wasn't funny in the moment, but it's funny now because I'm getting it fixed. So, girl, I had to put my car in drive, then put it back in park in order to open up the doors from inside. Cause one, my key fob little thing was, not key fob, but my key remote was broke. So girl, I couldn't use that. And then the unlock button from the inside broke. So then I was just like, okay, I'm gonna need to get something together cause clearly this is not the move. It's not working for me. You know, I was just trying to prolong the situation until after the holidays, but I just need to get it, I need to get it done because trying to open up my door, like with the key, it takes too long. And then like, you know, having Cooper with me too, it was just a whole lot of, so thank God. We're gonna get that repaired. Cooper is just staring at me. I'm talking about you. Why are you staring at me? You smell the sausage? You think it's a treat? You think it's a treat? You want a treat? Okay, come on, Coop. Let's get you a little treat because you were being a good boy. You didn't bark or nothing. That's what I'm trying to get him to learn, is not to be barking. I don't want my neighbors to be like, God dang, her dog stay barking. Do she love him? Like, is he okay when he call Animal Protective Services on her? Like, I don't need none of that. I don't need no Karens, no none of that coming or my dog parenting skills. And also today, my bar stools are coming. My bar stools are coming. I'm so pressed. My bar stools and my floor lamp for in here. And I actually changed my mind. Well, I might change it again, but I'm thinking about putting the accent chair right here because, you know, just to have more seating. I ain't getting it right now though, because we're gonna be going Christmas shopping soon. Whee! Yes, we're gonna go Christmas shopping soon. Why would they play me like I don't know my colors? This is brown. This is not black. I said I ordered black, like little trays. Let me show you how they look. This is how it looks. This is how it's supposed to be. Bronze and gray.
Gray? Yes!
I know I did not. Now I gotta look at my, hold up. Hold on. Are you kidding me? It definitely says bronze, but it looks black. I'm so upset. Let's start organizing. Well, firstly, I have to build this thing, so let's do that first. Oh, all of these pieces. Oh my baby. The instructions are very complicated. What do I need? Are these even the instructions? I'm back. Y'all know I hate return things, but that is just not feasible. Like, you're supposed to drill it into the cabinet so it doesn't move, but I'm not drilling anything into these cabinets because I'm just renting. Like, no, then it's really gonna mess up the cabinets. Like, if you drill into a wall, okay, you can cork that, but if you, I mean, yeah, caulk it, not cork it. Oh, that reminds me, I need a wine opener because I have been wanting some wine. And my friend got me some wine. The same friend that got me the champagne. But I don't have a wine opener. I don't know about y'all, but like if I don't do like a to-do list right at that moment, if I have it on my mind, I'm not gonna do it. So yeah, I'm gonna return that today. I'm gonna pick up my car. And we just got a lot of things to do today. So I'm about to go and get ready. But, oh, let me finish my thought. So I was saying that y'all should be very proud of me because I'm returning something. Like, it was actually very expensive. It was like $60. And I found one on Amazon that would be better because under there, I just really want like a stack so that I can put a like recycling bin down there, but y'all don't care about that. Y'all probably don't care about that. Actually, y'all probably do care about that. I don't know. I don't know. Is that my good boy? Is that my good boy? Okay, I'm sorry, Cooper. You gotta go home though. I'ma be back. I shall be back. Okay. Why does my hat look like Little Bill? It's like, I don't like when it go like this, like that. Like, what is that? What is that? Why is it wrinkling up like that? I don't like that. All right, go home, Cooper. I'll give you a treat. Change of plans with my car, which sucks. What is going on? Why is it saying that? Okay, so my car is not gonna be ready until tomorrow. Here you go, buddy. I gave you 2 because you being a good boy. So the guy, he said that now the other side of the passenger side isn't trying to do what it's supposed to do. So it's like I should have just got my keys and that should have just been it, because I could have still unlocked the door. Well, no, I wouldn't be able to unlock it from the inside. I don't know. Maybe this is a good thing because sometimes the radio be going off, like it just be cutting off, and then I have a backup camera and that just goes off sometimes, and I'm not, you know, I'm trying not to let this irritate me because, you know, like that's money and it's expensive for a freaking wire or whatever he got. It's expensive. So I'm trying to not let it irritate me, but it low-key is irritating me. It's okay, it's gonna be okay, all right? We're gonna move, we move forward. But you gotta remember, my couch, the arms are lower, remember? The arms are lower than that. For $30, that's not bad.
No, but I'll wait till you get the sofa.
Yeah, I gotta wait till I get my sofa though. But just knowing that, yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. I got on my cute little PJs. Y'all can't even see. Hold on. You see it? I'm annoying. I gotta turn it off for now because I'm talking to my girls. We cooking. We're about to cook some spaghetti, but I'm about to pour me up some wine. I just need to rinse this out because it got like, we wrapped it in newspaper and I was like, oh, I wanted to like, you know, drink some wine in here, but I'm actually about to just be regular. I feel like that wine glass or like the little decanter glass is just such a, you gotta be with a lot of people. Not a lot of people, but be around people because it's so fancy. I don't want to just, you know, do it by myself. But we're about to go ahead and cue the cooking montage because I'm hungry, my head hurts. I'm about to actually get some chips because I have not eaten since this morning. Y'all, dang, Koopy, you come immediately as soon as. But yeah, so y'all saw me eat this morning. I had the strawberries and blueberries and then the sausages, but I'm about to eat this guacamole. I just got it from Harris Teeter. I ain't never had it before, so let me see. Ooh, that's a hefty scoop. Y'all see that? That's a hefty scoop. That is so good. And it's like the right amount of spice. It's like perfect. Okay. I'm about to pour me up some wine. And good.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside.
Too much. Too much. Too freaking much. RIP to my first batch of bread. I gotta do another one. I mean, I messed up on the first one anyway, so it's okay. Get the olive oil back out and get some Italian season and some basil. Yeah. Hello, there we go.
seconds later.
The food was really good. I feel like I need to sit down, but where am I gonna sit? My bar stools are here, but they're downstairs. And the office is closed right now because it's like 9 o'clock. But y'all, the food was good. Excuse me. The bread that I made was good. The second batch, of course. The other batch, the first one, in the trash. The only thing is, like, my broccoli was good too, but it was a little soggier than what I like, and my noodles were overcooked. I overcooked them by accident because I was trying to do a million things at one time. So what really messed me up, y'all know all of my seasonings are new, right? So all my seasonings are new, so I'm over here trying to open stuff up. Just yikes. And next time I need to prepare like the tomatoes and dice the sausages before, but other than that, the taste is good. It's just, you know, it's little things that we need to tweak, which is cool. You know, it's cool or whatever. But what I'm about to get into now, I'm about to get into a little bit of this, a little bit of that. My neighbor at my mom's house has this friend, and she has a business called Her Treasure, and she makes like these little cute chocolate covered things. So, girl, I'm trying to show y'all. Get back, you don't love me like that. So clearly I've been dibbling and dabbling so far. So I think these are chocolate covered Oreos. They're a little too hard because they've been in the refrigerator. I don't know what these are, but the chocolate covered strawberries, I don't know what this is. I don't know. Ooh, I'm gonna try this. But it is really good. You guys should check her out. Oh, you can scan this. Okay, you can scan this and check her out. The ones in those little packages are cake. But y'all know, every time I eat, it'd be like my brain automatically thinks I need something sweet. Just a little something. Okay, I'm about to eat these 3 little strawberries. Go in here and play Bob the Builder again. Yeah, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. That is the end of today's Vlogmas video. I just posted, because today is the 1st, but I just posted my like picture for like saying that I moved or whatever. And I just like announced it everywhere, like on YouTube, everywhere. But I just did not expect to get all of this love. Like, I expected to get, you know, love from people, but not this much. Like, not this much. But I am so appreciative. It is definitely going to come out later because I've been like on the verge of tears all day, literally all day. And I'm just like, I just need to let it out. I just gotta let it out because people are being like so sweet. They're noticing just like how, you know, how much work went into getting to this place. So, you know, people noticing that is not like your family members and stuff. It's just a different level of encouragement and, you know, like joy. Like when, you know, when people notice what you're doing, it's like, wow, that's amazing. And then it's inspiring other people. It's just like, wow. Okay, but I'm not gonna get in here and talk too much. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to really crush strawberries. They just looking at me, girl. Okay, I'm gonna go. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.